Give me another one.
You can smash it on top of the notebook. Go ahead. Mama, we're gonna need 10 more fortune cookies. To go. You scare me, Logan.
Hey! Ooh, come
Don't
to the
go
light.
towards the light. Go away from the light.
Well, I
This
was
one's
saying
what's that
I
over
might
the
be able to
light?
put it on my cookie, but I changed on my ice cream, but I changed my mind now.
Logan, can we have a fortune cookie?
Give me the other one, please.
Huh?
Logan, can I have a
Sorry.
Give me the other one.
Oh, wait.
Let him touch it. Here. Put it in front
I think it's already breaking. Yeah, this one's broken.
Hey, Logan. Mama?
Wow, Mama, that's
A lot of ice
cream.
cream. We're gonna need more fortune cookies,
How many?
please. A lot more.
100.
Like 10, Mama.